everybody, it's Melody Blue. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Uh, Last check, I only needed 23 more people to hit 500 so I can give these pencils away. Yeah, so today I must be crazy. I've tried 3 separate Sergeant Art pencils. None of them have added up to my expectations. So, Marie, from Marie's Coloring, she said she got them and she liked them. So, I never tried the Supreme series. So, here I go, taking them out of the plastic wrap, if I can. They sure like to wrap stuff up. So I'm going to give you my thoughts and everything on these. And let you know what I think. They're in a tin, so it's always a good thing, which I can never get undone. Okay, here we go. They're not like the other Sergeant Arts I've had. This is Sergeant Art Deep Blue. I am going to swatch these. I want to see something. We've got the Sergeant Art Deep Blue here. These are supposedly waxed. So, we've got Sergeant Art here in Deep Blue. And we've got Prismacolor Indigo Blue. Look pretty much like the same color, don't they? It ain't like the Cooler. They're not blending together. I think these are oil, because they're scratching up the Prismacolor. But it's not, you see, they're not blending together. See right there? There's the line. Right there. So, either these are oil-based or everybody was wrong. But, these will not blend. They're not like the Coolers. They're not blending with these Prismas. They're scratching it up. Which, you can see the scratches. Alright, let me show you. If I come back with a lighter pencil, you will see streaks. See the streaks? This is what happens when you mix a hard pencil with a soft pencil. This Sergeant Art scratched up the soft Prismacolor. And now that I went in with a light color, you see streaks. This is why you don't want to mix a hard... I don't know if they're wax or oil. I really don't. But I know they're not blending with the Prismacolor. It's just scratching it up. And there you have the streaks I was telling y'all about. So if you use a hard pencil over the top of a wax pen, it's going to scratch it up. Now I can put the wax on top of the oil, it'll be no problem. But I'm thinking these are oil based because it don't blend. It doesn't blend. Now I should have no problem putting this. See there? No problems with the wax over the oil. Problem is putting oil over wax, and the way these are behaving, I think these are oil. But everybody said, oh, they're wax. They're wax. They're soft. They're not soft by no means. Will it even blend with itself? Kind of. I'll tell you right now, every blue I've picked up looks exactly the same. Exactly the same. So, I don't get it. All their blues look exactly the same. They're not even blending with themselves. So, what the deal is, I'm guessing these are oil. Just by the way they're acting. They're hard. They're not soft. They're not soft at all. You see, they scratched up the Prismacolor. I'm still going to swatch them. I don't like them. I wouldn't recommend them. But you see right there, I hope y'all can see it good. You see how that, you see the streaks in it? That's what happens when you take a hard pencil like that over a wax and then you use a lighter color. That's where you get the streaks. Because wherever that pencil scratched up the wax, your next color is going to lay down in there, and that's why you get the streaks. I'm just telling, and they don't even blend with themselves. I mean, come on. Really? Are they better than their other pencils? Yeah. I'm not even, no, I ain't even, no, I don't like them. Every color of their blue I pulled out looks exactly the same. No, I don't, I don't recommend these pencils whatsoever. Don't like them. No, I don't. I'd rather use Crayolas than these. So my opinion on Sergeant Art has not changed. I still think they're a crap pencil. I'm sorry, but hey, some of y'all like that. I don't. And you know what I always say? Opinions are like buttholes. Everybody's got one. If you don't like mine, I don't care. But I do not like Sergeant Art. That's the third or fourth set of their stuff I've tried it. No, don't like them. I don't recommend them. They're not even that cheap, really. Budget friendly, yeah, but when all the colors look the same, that's not really, no. And I don't know if I'm going to swatch them or not now, because every color looks the same. Every color blue that I pulled out of there looked exactly the same. You can't tell them apart. They're hard. They're scratchy. I can't stand. I have multiple sclerosis, and I have problems with nerves in my hands. They're touchy. Um, if I have a pencil that scratches, to me that's like taking fingers and scratching them across the chalkboard. I cannot do it, people. I can't do it. Now, the Star Joy Gold, even though they're oil, they don't do that. Polychromos, they're oil, but they don't do that. I just can't even swatch them, guys. I just can't. I can't do it with those. Ugh, it goes all through me. So, I was going to swatch these out until I saw that. And I'm like, no, don't wanna do it no more. So, and here's my color, Melody Blue. This is the one Lori named after me. I just love that woman to death. She's a great inspiration to me. She's taught me everything I know. I respect her, and I always will respect her opinions and everything. I just owe everything I am really to her, because without her there wouldn't be a me, so I wouldn't be here doing this. So everybody, let's run them likes up, let's run them shares up. Let's get this thing on the road. And I'm sorry, I was gonna swatch these, but I can't. They're so scratchy, it goes, oh. And if I did it very long, my hands would start hurting, because there's nothing worse than nerve pain. And with MS, you're oversensitive to any kind of stimulus. Heat, cold, scratchy pencils, you name it. And if you keep pushing it, the nerves will start hurting. So when the nerves start saying stop, you better stop. So I was gonna swatch them, but I can't. I just can't. I'm sorry, guys, but I know there's people that like them. But hey, that's your opinion. It's your right to have that opinion. I just don't recommend them to my followers. I really don't. They didn't even blend with themselves. I mean, good Lord, what pencils don't blend with them? I don't know. All I know is I love you guys very much. And then peace out till the next one. Bye.